Hello friends, my name is Ramesh and you're watching the HowTo Master YouTube channel. In this today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make transparent taskbar in Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Well, there are three methods to make the Windows taskbar transparent. The first one will make the taskbar barely visible. The second one will make it more translucent type, and the third one will make it clear. Okay, so let's dig into it. Okay, so well, the first method is simply go to personalize and go to colors and go to transparency effect. Okay, so this is the first method, and now let's go to the next method. Okay, so in the next method you will have to do some registry workout. Okay, go to Registry Editor, and in the Registry Editor you will simply have to come up to the HT local machine, then go to software, and after that go to Microsoft, and from the Microsoft go down and go to Windows, and after going to Windows go to current version, and in the current version go to Explorer and click on advanced. After clicking on advanced, you will have to make new divert 32-bit value, and you will have to name it as use OLED taskbar transparency. Okay, after that I have done this already, so it is not making it, but this will definitely work for you. I have tried it. So go to modify. After giving it the name, go to modify, and you will have to shift the variable data from 0 to 1 and then click OK. Okay, after that go to personalize again, go to colors, turn off the transparency effect, and then when you will turn on the transparency effect, it'll look like something like this. Okay, but these are the two methods that can make the taskbar barely transparent, much like translucent taskbar. But if you want to make your taskbar clear, or want to make your taskbar more cool, and also you can make it this you'll see when I will do it. Okay, so for that you will have to download a software which is called translucent taskbar. Okay, this is the setup. Simply you have to install it, and as you can see here, this is the taskbar picture of it, and after doing so you'll have a software named translucent taskbar. Okay, so let me run it. Translucent TB. Okay, open this app, and now in this app there are too many options. Okay, so you simply go to regular, and if you click on clear, and then you can see that the taskbar is now clear. Also you can make it opaque, and also you can make it blur, whatever you want. That totally depends upon you. You can make it fluent. Anything that you want is done here. Okay, so click on clear, and boom, you have the Windows taskbar clear as you want. Okay, so well, here is some disadvantages, or a major it has a major con, that you will have to use the matching background picture. Like as you can see, my picture is not matching it, so these text are not barely readable, so these are not readable, so these are the so that can be a problem for you. Okay guys, so these were the three methods to make the transparent taskbar in Windows 10. Okay, well, you can see all of the methods more. Okay, so there is one thing which is open at boot, so you can check on it, and when the next time you will turn on the computer, this look will be automatically done for you, and you will not have to run the translucent taskbar again and again. Okay, so well, these are the three methods. I hope you like the video. If you like it, then please hit on the like button, do share to your friends or wherever you want. Also, like my YouTube video and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. I will meet you in the next video. Peace out.